Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you how to animate ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side this white dot with your finger. Also you can make it by the second way, just press up or down volume button. After that click here on these three dots and you'll open just full volume buttons here again, and just to unmute your device ringtone hold and swipe to the right side with your finger this dot, and then just tap to done to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.